Goody Mouse. Yeah.
Are you guys waiting for Jim's house Saturday?
I gotta see if I work.
You gotta work?
I see tomorrow. You know, Saturday is also that Mike Epps thing.
Saturday what?
Also that Mike Epps thing.
Oh, where they gotta set it to record. You guys wanna see what we take, what we managed to get from it?
Yeah.
Oh, you know what, this might not even be the tape, I think we forgot it. You know, this stuff. She
You
don't
recording?
be cooperating, huh?
Yeah, she is.
Oh. Drool him out. Drool him out. So stop that. I like my bubbles. You like being independent. Look, she's balancing. Whoa. 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 She's tilting.
Nyla.
What are you doing up there? See how you draw by yourself. Hey, don't mind me. I'll just kick back and relax all by myself. No supervision. You like that. You like that. Ooh, best friend. Become master of your domain.
There's this lady in line right in front of me.
Mhm.
Are you checking?
Mhm. Yeah, I get her.
You slipped down.
No, you scared her. She jumped like 3 inches. And that's not funny.
Hello, independent lady.
Oh no, she's gonna fall. She's gonna fall.
Maybe you do need a little. Just a little
Man,
slouch.
you're fired.
Just a little slouch. A little. Yep. Yep. No, I'm not. What are you thinking about?